Hello folks, I am Georgios Papadopoulos and welcome to this video on Carrier Sense Multiple Access CSMA Medium Access Control MAC Protocol. In our previous video, you have seen the Aloha protocols where whenever a transmitting node has a frame to transmit, it simply does so without following any other rule. Today, I will introduce you to an advanced random access protocol called CSMA, which is based on the principle sense before transmit or listen before talk. Let's assume that the time is continuous and that our communication medium is the air in this example. Unlike the Aloha-based protocols, under CSMA, a transmitting node uses a carrier sense mechanism to sense the shared transmission medium to determine if it is in idle or busy state. In other words, it tries to detect the presence of a carrier signal from another node before attempting to transmit its own frame. If a carrier is sensed, which means that the shared transmission medium is busy, thus the node waits for the transmission in progress to end before initiating its own transmission. When the shared channel becomes idle, the node starts its own frame transmission. By employing CSMA, multiple nodes may in turn send and receive frames on the same shared medium. Note that the transmissions by one node are generally received by all other nodes connected to the shared transmission medium and are within the radio propagation of the transmitter. To summarize, under CSMA MAC Protocol, unlike Aloha, whenever a node has a frame to transmit, it will listen first to the shared transmission medium before transmitting it. Next, by minimizing the probability of collision, CSMA essentially increases the performance of a network when it is compared against Aloha protocols. Variations on CSMA include addition of collision avoidance CSMA CA and collision detection CSMA CD techniques. And that's all, folks.